All right, traders, I watched this video for Friday already. Wow, Friday, August 2nd. I'm going to be short and sweet tonight, so I'm showing you the SPY. I had a couple big down days, which I'm really glad about because it's going to give us some nice potential trades tomorrow and going forward. The market needed it, if you ask me. APHA is just a gap play. It'll be on Gap Watch tomorrow because it closed at 520. It's trading at 683 in after hours. Not sure if they had earnings or some other news, but that might get the other pot stocks moving as well. RUBI, very strong day. We'll see if we get a red to green or something like that tomorrow. Remember, I'm a day trader. I do not hold overnight, so these are all potential charts that could give me a nice intraday trade tomorrow. MCEP, kind of the same thing. Really strong, especially in a weak tape. We'll look for something in that one tomorrow. HBIO flagging. Again, in an ugly tape, held up really well. I like that big volume spike about a week ago, and it's flagging nicely. NAK, gold took off today in the weak market, and NAK, I believe, is in that space. Had a huge move a few days ago, and kind of putting in a nice little formation there. Dish was on Bounce Watch today. It did pierce the 200-day tomorrow, but that thing's really beaten up over about 5 or 6 days in a row. We'll be looking for a snapback bounce in that one tomorrow or one of these days. Lumber Liquidators, again, LL just really beaten up. Looking for a snapback bounce. Apple, this one, I love this. I mean, just literally after earnings, this thing hit 221.37, and then one day, 2 sessions later, all the way down into 208, in the 208. So you got to love it. Actually, was in the 206s, I think, at one point today. BBY, Best Buy, one big nasty day today on the China news. But the 200 days down below, so we might get another day down. If we can get down tomorrow, sell off and then pierce this 200 day, I'll be looking for an intraday bounce. DAN, couple ugly days here near an area where it bounced off of before, so I want to watch that one. SLRX, I believe this is a recent merger, if I'm not mistaken. But I mean, man, just 5 sessions ago, maybe 6 sessions ago, this thing was almost $15, and now it's down at 528. Just straight off a cliff, and big volume today, so that one's definitely on watch tomorrow. FSLY, fairly recent IPO. That's an ugly 4 days down. Looking for a snapback bounce in that one. And then VGR, kind of a different kind of a bounce play. It's a strong mover that's had a couple days down, kind of retesting the 200-day and the 8-day from above. I'm going to leave it at that. Teamwork's been fantastic, and have a great night. We'll see you all in chat tomorrow.